Next, we are going to select the print area. We'll set the print area by going to page layout. We will select the entire price list which we have created and go to print area and set print area. One important thing about sending price list to your sales team or your customer is you protect your price list for editing purpose. We want to send them Excel file so that they can use by copying and pasting the information in their quotation, but we do not want them to accidentally delete anything from the price list. So for that purpose, what you do is go to review tab on the menu bar, click on protect sheet and select protect worksheet and content of locked cells. Allow all users of this worksheet to select locked cells, select unlocked cells, meaning all the types of cells they can select, but they cannot do anything else in the Excel sheet. So let's apply the password. Click OK. I will click OK. Let's save this and let me close it. Let me close this file too. I will close this too, and I'm going to open the price list which we created just now. So this is the price list we created. Let's say I want to copy this bit of information. I will copy it and I can paste it into a new file. Okay, either I do it this way or I paste as values. A user can copy paste this information. However, if I try copying this information and pasting it here, it is not going to allow. Same way, if I try to edit it, I'm trying to double click this cell, it is not going to allow to make any changes, or even when I click on delete, it will not get deleted. So this is how you protect your important files from getting edited or information getting deleted from it. So with this setting, even you will not be able to edit this file as it is. So whenever you want to edit your price list, what you will have to do is go to review tab and click on unprotect sheet, enter the password and hit OK, and now it is ready for editing. Now you must have noticed when you click on protect sheet and you see here that protect worksheet and contents of locked cell. By default, whenever you open a new file, all the cells in a new file are locked. I will show you in a bit. Let me enter the password here and click OK. I will re-enter the password and click OK. Let's open a new file. If you right click any cell and go to format cell, go to the last tab in this protection, you will see locked. All the cells by default are having locked settings, so that whenever you apply password for protect worksheet option in review, everything in that worksheet will get protected. So with this knowledge, it gives us another idea of how to use locked and unlocked cell. We can prepare a protected worksheet and unlock some of the cells which we want the users to edit. For example, let's edit this first cell and go to format cells. Right now it is grayed out because our file is protected. So I'm going to enter password unprotected. Now when I right click on it, I am able to go into format cells option. I'm going to go to protection tab and unlock this cell and then protect the sheet. And now we can edit this. Let's say the salesperson wants to send a price list by changing the date, saying this is valid from 25th Jan. He is able to do that. However, he cannot do the same for anything else. He cannot edit any other cell. So this is how we use the lock unlock feature for cells and the protect unprotect sheet feature in Excel.